Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp channels as a creator. So first you will just need to go into the updates or the status on your WhatsApp app, and then I just want you to go also through this three points and tap on them. Alright, and then I want you to go and tap on create channel, the first option. So I want you to go to into continue, and they will it's asked you to create a name for your channel. So let's for example, family, and then create channel. So here there are three options on the beginning of the channel. You can add a description to your channel, and also you can share channel links to the ones that you want to become members of that channel, and also you can share it to your status. Also you can go through this 3 points, and from here you can see the channel informations, okay, the members and other stuff. And also you can from here go into the channel settings and set up the reactions that can followers send on the chat of that channel you created. Okay, let's for example, if we choose that one, the members of that channel can only use these emojis that you can see on the defaults only. If we choose that none, the members can't use any emoji on the chat. And also you can tap on share and share that channel on the other apps or the other tools of social media. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.